Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. So here we have condition for multiplication. Very important condition. Suppose a matrix, first matrix, m rows n column, and B matrix n rows p column. Condition is the column in first matrix should be equal to rows in second matrix. Then only multiplication possible. The answer A into B is M into P. Okay. So the condition is if number of column in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix, then only matrix multiplication exists, means comparable of multiplication. See here, find order of each product if possible. See here, a matrix 1 row 3 column into B matrix 3 rows 1 column. Here first matrix column 3, second matrix row 3, so both are same. So multiplication exists. A into B, the answer will be C, and the order is 1 into 1. Next question, a matrix B 2 rows 1 column, a matrix 4 into 2. Here the column is 1, here the row is 4. Not same. Not same means multiplication not possible. Next, A matrix 6 rows 2 column, B matrix 6 rows 3 column. The column of first matrix not equal to rows of first matrix, so multiplication not possible. Next, A matrix 2 rows 3 column, B matrix 3 rows 2 column. The first matrix column is equal to second matrix row, so both are same, multiplication exists. The answer C will be 2 into 2. Now let us see the problems. Find the product of A, element A, B, C, D, B matrix 2, 3, 4, 5. So given A matrix, B matrix, means here 2 rows 2 column. First see the condition. B matrix 2 rows 2 column. So first matrix row column is equal to column of second matrix. These are 2. Multiplication exists. AB, the answer is 2 rows 2 column. Now AB, A here, B here. What is the formula here? First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, first column here. First row, second column here. Next, second row, first column here. Second row, second column here. Okay, let us see the problem. First row, first column, A into 2 plus B into 4. You must write plus here in between these two. Next, first row, second column, A into 3 plus B into 5. Next, second row, first column, C into 2 plus D into 4. Second row, second column, C into 3 plus D into 5. After that, AB is equal to A into 2, 2A, plus B into 4, 4B. A into 3, 3A, plus B into 5, 5B. C into 2, 2C, plus D into 4, 4D. C into 3, 3C, plus D into 5, 5D. Now next, find the product of the following if possible. So this is the first question. given this here, check the condition first. 2 rows, 2 column. 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 column. So there first matrix row column and second matrix row are same. Multiplication exists. The answer will be 2 into 3. Now what I told you, first row, first column, 2 into 3 plus minus 1 into 5. Next, first row, second column, 2 into minus 9 plus minus 1 into 7. Next, first row, third column, 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 6. Next, second row, first column, 3 into 3 plus 4 into 5. Second row, second column, 3 into minus 9 plus 4 into 7. Second row, third column, 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 6. Now simplify. 2 into 3, 6 plus minus 1 5 is 5. 2 into minus 9, minus 18 plus minus 7 1 is 7. 2 into 2, 4 plus minus into minus plus 1 6 is 6. 3 3 is 9 plus 4 5 is 20. 3 into minus 9 minus 27 plus 4 7 is 28. 3 2 is 6 minus 4 into 6 24. 6 minus 5 1 minus 18 minus 7 minus 25. 4 plus 6 10. 9 plus 20 29. 28 minus 27 1. 6 minus 24 minus 18. Next question. 1 minus 1 4 2 5 1 3. See, one row, 1 2 3 3 column. 1 2 3 3 rows, 1 column. This column and this row are same. Multiplication exists. Answer 1 row 1 column. So first row, first column, minus 1 into 5 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Minus 1 into 5 minus 5 plus 4 into 1 4 plus 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 minus 5 5. Next question. 2 1 4 6 minus 2 3 1 2 1. Given right here. 1 row, 2 row. 2 rows, 1 2 3 3 column. 1 2 3 3 rows, 1 column. So these 3 and these 3 are same. Multiplication exists. Answer 2 1. So first row, first column, 2 into 2, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1. Second row, first column, 6 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2, 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 minus 4, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. See, 2 rows, 1 column. 2 rows, 1 column. Next question. 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 6 minus 2, 3. See here, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 1 column. 1, 2, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 column. Check. Here it is 1, here it is 2. Number of column and number of rows are not same. Product not possible. Product not possible. Next question. 3, 4, 9, 0, minus 1, 5, 2, 6, 12. 13 minus 2, 0. Here 3 rows, 3 column. 2 rows, 3 column. So here number of column is 3. Here number of rows is 2. They are not same. Product not possible. Okay. Next, find a square where a is equal to 4, 2, minus 1, 1. A is the given a square. A square means a into a. A means this number and a means same number. 2 rows, 2 column. 2 rows, 2 column. Here the column and the rows are same. Multiplication exists. Answer will be 2, 2. So first row, first column, 4 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1. First row, second column, 4 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Second row, first column, minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. Second row, second column, minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So 4 4s are 16 plus minus minus 2 1s are 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 1s are 2. Minus 1 into 4 4 plus minus minus 1 1s are 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 1 1s are 1. A square is equal to 16 minus 2 14. 8 plus 2 10. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Next, A is equal to this one, B is equal to this matrix. Find A, B and B. So first question A, B. A here. First A means you should write first A. Into B means here you write to B. Check. 2 rows, 2 column. 2 rows, 3 column. This is 2 rows and this is 2 column. Same. Multiplication exists. So what is the method? First row, first column. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1. First row, second column. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0. First row, third column. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 4. Next, second row, first column. 1 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Second row, second column, 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0. Second row, third column, 1 into 0 plus 3 into 4. Now simplify. AB is equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 0s are 0. 2 0s are 0 plus 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3 plus 3 1s are 3. 1 2s are 2 plus 3 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0 plus 3 4s are 12. 6 plus 1 7. 4 plus 0 4. 0 plus 4 4. 3 plus 3 6. 2 plus 0 2. 0 plus 12 12. So this is AB only. Now BA. B means B matrix into A means A matrix. 2 rows, 3 column. 2 rows, 2 column. Since first column, first matrix column, second matrix row are not same. So BA is not possible. B multiply A not possible. So therefore BA is not conformable. Okay, conformable. A is equal to this one, B is equal to this one. Find AB and BA. So first question, A into B. A here into B means here. 2 rows, 2 column. 2 rows, 3 column. So number of column in first matrix not equal to rows in second matrix. So since they are not same, AB is not possible. A dot B is not possible. Next question, BA. B means B matrix into A matrix. 3 rows, 2 column. 2 rows, 2 column. 2 and 2 are same. You can do multiplication. So how can you do? First row, first column. 5 into 4 plus 1 into 3. Next, first row, second column, 5 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1. Next, second row, first column, 0 into 4 plus minus 2 into 3. Next, second row, second column, 0 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1. Next, third row, first column, 3 into 4 plus 7 into 3. Third row, second column, 3 into minus 2 plus 7 into 1. So 5 fours are 20 plus 3 ones are 3. Minus 10 plus 1. 0 plus 0 minus 6. 0 minus 2. 12 plus 21. Minus 6 plus 7. So 20 plus 3, 23. Minus 10 plus 1, minus 9. 0 minus 6, minus 6. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 12 plus 21, 33. 7 minus 6, 1. Now, next question. Find the product of this one. So, here 3 rows, 3 column. 3 rows, 3 column. So, column of first matrix is same with rows of second matrix. So, multiplication exists. Here, first row, first column, minus 2 into 0 plus minus 3 into 1 plus minus 4 into 3. First row, second column, minus 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 2 plus minus 4 into 2. First row, third column, minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into 4 plus minus 3 into minus 1 plus minus 4 into minus 2. Next, second row, first column, 2 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 3. Second row, second column, 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. Next, second row, third column, 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into minus 2. Last, third row, first column, 4 into 0 plus minus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Third row, second column, 4 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2. Third row, third column, 4 into 4 plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 2. Now, after that, you can simplify. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 6. Minus 2, 4 to the 8. Minus 8 plus 3 plus 8. Next, 2 zeros are 0. Minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0 into 2, 0. Next, 2 4 are 8. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 0 into minus 2, 0. 4 zeros are 0. Minus 2. 3 3s are 9. 4 1s are 4. Minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. 4 4s are 16. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So, minus 3 minus 12 minus 15. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. Minus 8 plus 8 cancel 3. Minus 1, 2 cancel 0. 8 plus 1 9. 9 minus 2 7. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel 6. 16 plus 2 18. 18 minus 6 12. Now next question. Minus this matrix into this. So minus 2 4 1. 1 row 1 2 3. 3 column. 3 rows 3 column. See here, this first matrix column and second matrix row are same. Multiplication exists. Answer 1 3. So here first row first column minus 2 into 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 1 into 0. Next, first row second column minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Last, first row third column minus 2 into 4 plus 4 into 0 plus 1 into 4. Now simplify. Minus 6 plus 4 2s are 8. 1 0s are 0. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 plus 4 minus 1. Minus 8 plus 0 plus 4. So 8 minus 6 2. 4 plus 4 8. 8 minus 1 7. Minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. So these are the problems related to multiplication. Okay, that's all.